Hi, this video is going to show you the Competency and Readiness Report, where to find it, and how to read it. We're going to sign into your parent or student PowerSchool portal. You'll go to Student Reports and Competency and Readiness Report. And that is going to bring up this document. I am going to show you some ones that has actual information in it. So this is the Competency and Readiness Report. It starts off with telling you the three areas that students have to meet: requirements, credits, competency, and readiness. This first page of the document focuses on competency and readiness, and then page 2 is an area to kind of review credits and to kind of do maybe a credit check. So competency requirements for the state of Ohio means that a student has to earn a score of 684 or better on their Algebra 1 and English 2 end of course exams. So as you can see on this document, we state that out for you. And then on the right side, you can see your students' Algebra 1 and English 2 scores. If this raw score is higher than 684, your student has met competency for that subject. If they've met both Algebra 1 and English 2, then they have completed the competency requirement for graduation. The state of Ohio also requires that students take end-of-course exams in biology, geometry, history, and government. So we wanted to provide those scores as well. So you can see that this student has taken biology, geometry, or math 2, and American history, and then their raw scores. So for the state of Ohio, there's also the readiness requirement, and students must earn 2 diploma seals. 9 of the options are state-created diploma seals, and then 3 options are locally created diploma seals. Students only have to earn 2, but one of them must be a state seal. So that's information is provided on the left. And then on the right side, you can see what seals have been earned by your students. So this student has earned the science seal, and they've earned the student engagement seal. And since they've earned 2, they have met the readiness. They've completed the readiness requirement for graduation. To find out more about the seals and how you earn them, what are the qualifications you need to meet to earn diploma seals, you can follow the link in the report to our counseling website. We have a whole presentation we've put together describing that. And then, of course, if you have questions, you can reach out to us too. But just for example, a score of 700 or higher on the biology exam will earn a student the science seal. So this student earned the science seal by getting over 700 on that raw score. So a little bit different for the diploma seals than it is for competency. But this is the first page, and this covers competency and readiness. The second page is not a transcript, although it does include a course history. I just want to specify it is not a transcript. So on this second page, we provided you with a list of the credit requirements for Milford High School, and also some kind of clarifications that you might have as you're looking through your course history. And then we made a credit checklist. So if you print this out, you can just check the courses that you've completed and keep track that way. You can make a few notes if you want, but this is a good document to take a look at. So on the course history, you can see grades 7 through 10 on the left side and grades 11 through 12 on the right, and also the quarter classes from all your years. You can see if you've earned a PE waiver, you can see if you've earned a fine arts waiver, you can see your total credits earned, and then you can see next year's course requests. So using this information, you can complete this little credit checklist to see how you're doing. This is kind of it's very similar to what the counselors do when we're doing credit checks to make sure students are on track for graduation. But if you are curious as to kind of where you stand, this is a good tool to use. You'll notice that second semester grades are not on there yet. That is because those have not been stored permanently yet. As soon as they are stored, they will show up on this report. So maybe by the time you pull this report, you'll be able to see it, but that is just something that exists and that will exist in the future. If you have questions about the report, you can always reach out to the counseling department and we'll be happy to help you.